Welcome back, drone enthusiasts. You're tuned in to Tech Titan Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest news, leaks, and updates in the tech world. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases on the horizon, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you're someone who enjoys aerial photography, videography, or just love cutting-edge technology, you're in for a treat. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of drones. With improved camera features, longer flight times, and a 360-degree obstacle avoidance system, this compact yet powerful drone is a dream come true for content creators and professionals alike. Whether you're an experienced drone operator or just stepping into the hobby, DJI has packed enough power and innovation into this new release to appeal to everyone. Let's kick things off with one of the most talked about aspects of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, its portability. One of the biggest advantages of the Mini series has always been its compact size, and the Mini 5 Pro pushes that to the next level. If you're someone constantly on the move, whether hiking through mountains or navigating urban jungles, you need a drone that can travel with you without being a burden. This drone is incredibly lightweight and foldable, making it one of the most portable drones on the market. According to rumors, it's expected to weigh in just under 250 grams, which keeps it well within regulatory limits in many regions. This means you won't have to worry about tedious registrations or flight restrictions in a lot of areas. For content creators and hobbyists alike, this is a huge win. Moving on to safety features, one of the biggest improvements we're hearing about is the 360-degree obstacle avoidance system. Drones are an expensive investment, and the last thing you want is to crash into a tree or building during flight. The DJI Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver an unmatched camera experience. The drone will likely be equipped with an enhanced camera system that includes a 1-inch sensor. This is a significant upgrade over the Mini 4, and it brings the Mini 5 Pro closer to professional-level drones, like the DJI Air and Mavic series. The 1-inch sensor allows the Mini 5 Pro to capture stunningly detailed images, especially in low-light conditions. Battery life is a constant concern for drone pilots. We've all experienced the frustration of having to cut a session short because the battery is running low. The DJI Mini 5 Pro addresses this with a longer flight time that's rumored to reach up to 30 to 35 minutes on a single charge. That's a significant improvement over previous models, allowing you to shoot more, explore more, and worry less about running out of juice. As always, DJI is tight-lipped about pricing, but considering the feature set, it's expected to fall within the $600 to $900 range, depending on the accessories and bundles that will be available. Are you excited about the upcoming release? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe.